Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Mobile. First, you will want to download the official application from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, launch the game and explore the initial tutorial. Take a moment to get comfortable with the on-screen touch controls for steering, accelerating, and braking. You can also fine-tune your graphics settings to ensure a smooth experience on your specific phone or tablet. BeamNG Mobile stands out with its incredibly realistic soft-body physics engine. Every collision and impact is simulated in real time, showing detailed vehicle deformation. You will see dents, crumples, and parts breaking off, just like in real life. Drive through various environments, from bustling cityscapes to rugged off-road trails, and witness how your vehicle reacts to every surface and obstacle. The game offers a variety of engaging modes to keep you entertained. Dive into free roam to explore vast maps, tackle specific scenarios, or challenge your driving skills in time trials. You can also personalize your vehicles extensively. Choose from numerous paint jobs, add new parts, and upgrade performance to create your dream machine. There are many unique challenges and hidden areas to discover. To enhance your BeamNG mobile experience, consider optimizing your device. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up system resources, ensuring smoother gameplay. Also, connect with the vibrant online community. It is a great place to find tips, share your creations, and discover new content. The developers frequently release updates, bringing exciting new vehicles, expansive maps, and innovative features to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.